In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI in conjunction with various collaboration platforms. This guide will cover connecting your tools, sharing research with your team, and utilizing Perplexity AI for teamwork tasks. To begin, open the Perplexity AI application on your device. Once the application is loaded, locate the account option, which can be found in the bottom left corner of the interface. Click on account to access your account settings. After you have clicked on account, look for the connectors option within the settings menu. Selecting connectors will take you to a screen where you can integrate various tools. Here, you will find options to connect platforms such as Slack, Notion, Google Drive, and GitHub. Next, choose the tools you want to connect by clicking on their respective icons. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the connection process. It is important to ensure that each tool is connected properly, as this will enhance your collaborative experience within Perplexity AI. Once your tools are connected, you can share research findings with your team. Start by entering a question in the search box provided within the application. After submitting your question, wait for the AI to process the query and generate an answer. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the question. After the answer appears on your screen, you can easily copy it by highlighting the text and using the copy function. With the answer copied, navigate to your team collaboration platform, such as Slack or Notion, and paste the response into the appropriate channel or document. This allows your team to access valuable insights quickly. Utilizing Perplexity AI for teamwork can significantly improve efficiency. You can use it for conducting team research, summarizing documents, and providing quick answers to team questions. This functionality can streamline the workflow and ensure that everyone stays informed without wasting time searching for answers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.